My name is Jill Reich, and I am in the Anatomy and Physiology class, and I'm going to be naming the bones. I just have the names of the bones on my index card so I can refer to it as I name each bone. Thank you. The first one is the coronal suture, which is right up here. The next one is the squamous suture, which is over here. The third one is the sagittal suture, which is up here. The fourth one is the rhomboid suture, which is back here. The fifth one is the frontal bone, which runs along your forehead. The sixth one is your parietal bone, which is over here. The seventh one is the temporal bone, which is down here. The eighth one is the occipital bone, which is back here in the back of your head. The ninth one is the ethmoid bone, which runs in the eye. The 10th one is the lacrimal bone, which runs along the top of the nose here. The 11th one is the maxilla, which runs underneath your nose. The 12th one is the mandible, which runs at the bottom of your mouth. The 13th one is the mental foramen, which runs over here. The external acoustic meatus, we're going to take off the top of the head here, and it is inside the skull, which is up in here. Okay, now I am moving on to the mastoid process, which is over here inside the top of the head. The 16th is the styloid process, which is, excuse me, is up in here. I'm sorry, on the side of the head. The 17th is the coronoid process, which is right over here. The 18th is the supraorbital foramen, which is right up here in the top of your forehead. The nasal bone is right up here in the forehead. The nasal concha, which is right up here in your nose on that side. The vomer bone is also in your nose. The foramen magnum is in the top again. The cister galli is over here on the side of your head. The cribriform plate is over here on the side of your head. Okay, and moving on to the last couple. The sphenoid bone is in your eye. The optic canal is up on your forehead. The sella turcica is in the top of the skull, which is over on this side. And the foramen ovo is also in the top of the skull. All right, I'm going to be completing, this is the name of the bones. Thank you very much.